tray number 2 done. It's a slow process. I've just pulled a picture up on the iCloud, and that's what it used to look like 4 years ago when I first bought the tray. It was 2018 to this now. I think Mick wants an energy drink. He's going a bit slow. Don't you dare turn it all the way around.
That's what I'm looking for.
So from that to that. Turn it back on me. What we've done is took a big bulbous fake gin out and put a little one in. I put cut paste in there, but I've got some flakes of bark just to put over the cut paste to hide it. So I'll get that done, then I'll stick it in the greenhouse and we'll get on to the big privet. Oh, time for tray number 3. It's starting to thunder, so I think we're going to get wet.